What if one ChatGPT prompt could create your entire Back-to-School ESL lesson in just 20 seconds? Copy it, paste it, use it on Monday. We've all done this. It's Sunday night. You ask ChatGPT for a lesson plan, and the result is generic. You spend more time fixing it than using it. That's why most teachers think AI doesn't work. But AI isn't the problem. Your prompt is. ChatGPT simply responds to the information you give it. Better prompts create better lessons. Today, I'll give you one simple prompt. Fill in just 3 blanks, and ChatGPT generates a complete lesson plan. Then I'll explain why it works. Here's the prompt. Just replace the level, the student's age, and the class size. Everything else is already built in. In seconds, you'll get a complete lesson with activities, teacher notes, materials, CCQs, and homework. First, give ChatGPT a role. Tell it to act as an experienced ESL teacher. That one sentence completely changes the quality of the output. Next, give it context. Include the level, the age, and the class size. These 3 details help AI create a lesson that actually fits your students. Now define the task. Don't just ask for a lesson. Give it the lesson structure with clear time blocks. The more specific you are, the more useful the result becomes. Finally, tell ChatGPT how you want the answer: a printable table, a script, a checklist, whatever format you need. This simple step saves a huge amount of editing time. Finally, tell ChatGPT how you want the answer: a printable table, a script, a checklist, whatever format you need. This simple step saves a huge amount of editing time. Want even better lessons? Add a topic. Tell it the teaching style, and instead of starting over, ask ChatGPT to adapt the lesson for different class lengths or class sizes. Before you go, remember 3 things. Don't trust the first answer blindly. Always check important information and save your best prompts. They're reusable forever. If you'd like more ready-to-use prompts, download the free AI prompt library below. If this video helped, subscribe for more AI tools and practical ESL teaching ideas. And let me know in the comments, what prompt should I build next?